Hey guys, welcome to Tiote Productions. I'm Lisa Tiote. I'm actually going direct, guys. I am going direct. It's about time to go direct. Direct pretty much means that instead of going to signing services who are doing the marketing for you and getting you the job, you're going directly to the companies by yourself and actually marketing your own business and getting the full profit instead of a cut from the signing services. I've been using signing services and I'm going to continue using signing services, but I want to start taking my business to a next level. So I do go to school. I'm in college. So I have a little bit of a pickle because school is coming back. So I'm going to have less time to put into the notary business. So I'm going to market so that I can have more options, so that I can be more flexible with more options coming in. Now I won't be able to do mornings as much as I was, before school came back. So I have to sign up for more signing services, go direct so that I can have more chances of getting signings. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna do it. We're going direct.
Streaming media, YouTube, right? Almost everything you do in social life.
TV as well.
It's a
movies and TV.
Well, yeah. So different people have different rules for that. Like one of the rules I like is people said no streaming media by yourself. So like, yeah, I can watch a movie with a friend.
So not just some dad.
But I can't just watch a movie. Okay, so the game plan is to go to at least 3 places today. 2 of them I did signings for. So I'm going to start off by going in there as if I am saying thank you, but as if I'm in there just to say thank you for allowing me to do their signings through SnapDocs, because that's who I did it from, SnapDocs. SnapDocs sent me their signings and it was local. I looked them up and now I'm going to them to say thank you, and hopefully that opens up a conversation and signings in the future. So yeah, 2 of them is I already did signing for. 1 of them I actually closed my home with. So I'm just going to go back in there and reintroduce myself like, hey, I know it's been a while. I closed my house with you guys a year ago. I just wanted to stop by and say hi and drop these off. Okay. And then hopefully they give me signings or whatever, and we shall see. So yeah, we will try to make this a successful day and follow up probably with an email or whatever we can do. Okay, all right, let's go. So this is my basket. It's not super fancy. It's handmade. Well, the basket isn't handmade, but the package is handmade. So I hope that it makes it more personable that way. So I just did lifesavers. I found this idea on Facebook actually. Somebody posted it and I just kind of copied it because I liked it. I just made my own spin to it. I just added my own creativity to it. I added some candy canes that I had. I was supposed to go direct around Christmas time, but I was too nervous. So I'm going now. Okay, so this is a motivation for you to go now or to do whatever you were nervous about, because I need to stop doing that. Like literally, I like not procrastinate, but like I'm like, you know what? Let me do something else productive so I don't feel as bad as not doing this one, this productive thing. But yeah, we're going direct and we're not looking back. So yeah, this is my outfit. I'll have my hair natural.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys. So like, oh, I just did it. I just walked in there and oh, okay, it wasn't that bad. It didn't hurt. It didn't hurt. Okay, it didn't hurt. So I walked in there, and it's not like I got a signing right then and there, but like I am celebrating every step of every way. Like, oh my God, I actually walked in there. I can relax now, and said hi and introduced myself, and yeah, I just had a little talk. I had a talk with the receptionist. I'm just gonna follow up, and then yeah. And they were so happy. They're like, oh, thank you. Everybody was like, oh, this is so nice, because it was handcrafted and it was made from the heart. And they were like, this is so nice. The receptionist complimented my hair. My hair is always a conversation starter. I kind of knew to do with my natural hair today because I didn't want to look like everybody else. I wanted to stand out today. And not everybody else is comfortable enough to just walk into a law attorney office with their natural hair out, okay? Sometimes you feel like you need to assimilate. And my hair was a conversation starter. She was like, I love your hair. And it just like brightened the mood immediately. I was like, thank you, I love your hair. And it was just, I think I get their business. I don't know. But I'm going to follow up with an email. The want to succeed has to be like greater than your fear. And right now, it's greater than my fear. Like I need to succeed in this thing right here because I like it, and whatever I like I want to stick to and grow it and make it a big thing. So I'm so proud of myself right now. So that's one down. Let's go to the next attorney's office. Okay, I'm excited. And the whole office was like young girls that look just like me. I'm like, oh my gosh, might be my lane. The lawyer that owns this place, attorney, she went to Fayetteville State University, which is a school I went to, and I'm like, I just need to meet her one good time. We're gonna get along. Okay, we're gonna get along. So yeah, so far so good. Let's go to the next person.
A few moments later.
This is so crazy. This is such a good day. Like this was a marketing day and it was a success. I just cannot believe it. I was so nervous for whatever reason. Just walk in there and introduce myself and say thank you for the signings and just start marketing director, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, oh my gosh, like this day was meant to be, because I called one of the attorneys that I did a signing for, and she wasn't in her office. So I called her to see if I can at least leave the baskets that I made. She was literally the best person ever. Like she was like, oh my goodness, we need notaries. Did you stop by attorney X, I don't want to say her name, but I was like, yes, I actually did stop at her place because I had a signing for her too, so I did stop for her. So she started naming all these attorneys in Fayetteville and was just giving me the hookup. She was like, oh girl, call me whenever, I'll hook you up. Oh my goodness, like she was like, I'll look out for you, we're gonna hire, we need you, da, da, da. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm just like getting excited just by so yeah, she's like, oh yeah, you need to start going direct. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some business and da da da. So she knows like all the attorneys because she's an attorney herself, so they like connect or whatever. And I'm like, wow, this went so great. And I only marketed to 2 people today, and it was the first one that I did a signing for. I didn't see her in person, but everybody was so happy about my basket. She was just like, girl, I got you, pretty much, like you are gonna get a lot of business. I'm like, oh my gosh. So this was the best day ever, guys. I didn't make it to my third marketing place because they were leaving or something like that. Something happened. So I'm gonna go next week. So everything just falling in place because school actually pushed back to the 19th instead of the 12th. So I have more time to do signings and actually get business and like establish myself before school comes back. And I'm so freaking excited, guys. Like everything's just going so well. I got to go to my signing today, and it's a Friday. It's nice out. It's a little windy, but like this just made my day. Follow your dreams. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much all I got. I have to go to my signing. That's how you direct market. You pretty much just walk in and introduce yourself. Well, it kind of just worked out for me, but you're gonna have to just try to find a way for it to work for you. I knew what to do because I did signings for them already. So all I had to do was just bring up the fact that I did a signing for them, and that'll just open up a dialogue and a conversation. And that's exactly what it did, and it just paid off for me. So I know it's gonna pay off for you guys. So this was a great day, and I am so glad I am direct marketing, and I've been doing signing services, but what I'm gonna do now is sign up for 300 signing services this month. So that's gonna be my goal, 75 a week. So yeah, we're gonna try to do that too. So we're gonna make use of this whole month. The beginning of the year, we're going hard, guys. So like and subscribe, guys, because we are gonna go hard this year. And yeah, I just want to take you guys on my journey of building a successful notary business. Oh my gosh, crazy. I didn't think I would be a notary, but here I am. And I don't regret it. Like, this is the best thing I've ever done. This is crazy. So yeah, just follow, like, subscribe, guys. That's pretty much all I got. I spent all night and all morning doing these baskets by hand, and it's personable, you know, it's special. And they asked me if I made it, and I said yes, I actually did make this. Guys, this is a good day. And so yeah, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.